All right, you guys, real quick, I got the kid in the back.
No, I'm scared.
We're finna go in the car wash, so he's scared of the car wash. But today I'm gonna do another quick vlog with Zay. I'm gonna pick him up a little bit later, but I had to clean out this car. This car is filthy. Once again, I do DoorDash, so eat a lot of food. It's a lot of food going on, food smells and stuff. So today I was like, let me clean out my car and all that good stuff before I go and pick him up. So once I do that, wash my car and stuff out, drop the kid off so we can do our little vlog. But I just wanted to take you guys on the little journey with me really quick before I decided to do that. But we finna go through this car wash, y'all, so see ya. Zion, why are you so scared? It's not that bad. It was not that bad, Zion. Zion. See?
What? Oh my god.
Okay, now I'm finna vacuum out this dirty behind car because it's like filthy, like super filthy. So when you have a toddler in the back seat, it's so much crumbs and all kind of, yes, you, toddler, you. So much crumbs and stuff going on in his back seat. It's like so ridiculous.
No, it's not.
It is. You got food and he eating right now. So anyway, we finna go and I'm finna vacuum out this car. It is filthy. So anyway, yeah. Hey. Okay. Hey. Okay. You need to catch your breath? Zion, where is it going? Oh.